Hey, don't you think that bookmarks are not only markers for the pages? You can turn them into a very beautiful art and give them an aesthetic look. So let's do it. So welcome back to the Craft Educator channel. Please subscribe and hit the like button. For the tutorial, I have taken a piece of watercolor paper, wool, then a scissor and watercolor and a paintbrush along. Now let's make the bookmarks. Now take the paper, make the columns. I have made the columns about 3 to 3.5 centimeter. So let's now cut them into pieces with the help of a sharp scissor. It's fine if it's not that sharp. Cut them carefully with finishing. Perfect. And finally, the exciting part. We're gonna make some designs. For the first bookmark, I'm gonna paint them with a pastel color. To make the shade, you will need white, green, and a hint of brown. Just a hint. Fill the paper with this shade. So it's done now. And the turn for the next one. For this, I am just gonna paint it with some water first, with a hint of violet and just a little, just a hint of red, so that it looks a stained paper. It gives a look like it's stained. And let it to dry. Now take the another one, and I'm simply gonna make some flower. For that I have taken red and violet, and just gonna tap the brush on the paper to make the petals. Hey, why don't you give me some ideas about my next video in the comment section? If you have exciting ideas, then please comment down. I will definitely try to make them. This is a very basic and easy method to make flowers for anyone. If you're a beginner, then you can try this method. It's easy and the outcome is really good. For the last one, I'm applying pink and violet. I'm contrasting the shades. The first one, and write something you like, or any quote, or something sweet. I have written that enjoy little things. take white paint and dot use dotted line around the line, and with the help of a marker or micron pen or a black pen, you can use any, make some pattern. I'm gonna draw some crippler. For the second one, I'm adding some details with micron pen. Some veins of petals. Next, draw the outlines for the petals just like this. And this one is literally my favorite because just look at them. These are tiny watermelon pieces, and how you gonna create them. For that, you take this brush, flat brush, and add light green and red and twist them. Press them and twist them like this. Oh, I messed up with this one, and look how cute. And I think this print is something that I would love to wear on my t-shirt. Please comment down which is your favorite after you completely watch the video. So don't skip, watch till the end. For these flowers, you take that flat brush, add white and red on the brush and make the petals the way I'm showing you. And tada, they are ready, but not completely because we have to tie the threads. For that, you take a needle and make the hole and pass the thread through the hole, and you know what to do next. Yes, you will have to tie a knot. Now I'm gonna add beads for these two pieces, which is really optional. If you don't want to add them, then skip it. Now tie the knot so that the bead does not come out. It's ready. Look, they are all set now to use. Please try this at home, make them and give them to your nerdy friends, your sister, your father, everyone who loves books. I hope you guys enjoyed and loved it.